Friday morning already? How early is it? It's nearly about 7 o'clock. I need to do intro started before the guys awake. Before my mum and papa awake in the morning. Wow. Beautiful sunshine out there somewhere. Pretty nice. Same as yesterday though. Same as last time. But it's very, very cold outside. You can hear the breeze. You can feel the breeze right now. Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to this video. We're back in this video. It's... I just want to open there. Anyway, we're back. It's... I decided that's lighting me because it's the morning. It's Friday morning and now I'm almost getting to the weekend, but I've kind of enjoyed it so far because I've been like heard some weird noises. Heard some weird noises I had never heard before. That's why I was. That was me. That's why I hadn't. That's why I don't know. Wasn't the weirdest sound I ever heard. It just came from the back garden. I've never heard it before in my life, ever. But that's so weird to hear the what I say. Hopefully, that was pretty weird. They wake me up about 1 AM or probably 1:30. I don't know. Here we are. Here I've got all the birds tooting. You hear the background. If you hear in the background, that's cool. So yeah, it's Friday. So you want to say it's Friday, and it's just a bit shivery, I suppose, but all goosebumps. But it's the cold morning. It's Friday morning, and it's nearly you know, it's nearly it's oh yeah, it's nearly 7 o'clock. But yeah, it's nearly 7 o'clock in the morning. But that'll be a good for time. Anyway, we're back again. So you want to say I'm back? Good morning. Hey, how you guys doing? How you guys want to say on the morning? So when the morning dawns and the morning rise. But yeah, and also about to watch about downstairs for Facebook Live. Go check out down below if you want to say it. If I just do it about 8 o'clock this morning, because it's got New Thomas TV special as well, TV movie. But over here, so there'll be a morning Vice at 8 AM in the morning, and it's charged right up for the Facebook Live. So that'll be great. In the meantime, though, how about the morning or the afternoon? Off to have some toasties or some Subway. Probably go to Asda by the time, but so yeah, that'll be great. So yeah, it's Friday morning. That was pretty good. I can feel the breeze. Yeah, breeze is in the air. Breeze in the air, so to speak. But yeah. Anyway, so let's get the day started, or let's get the party started. So you can forgot what to say, obviously. But so yeah. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the random good morning Friday morning. So I want to say good morning. If you probably want to say the title of this video, good morning to you. If you're wide awake outside, it looks pretty nice, amazing, stretchy enough, and good as well. Just keep me yawning. Jeez. Yeah, because I'm chilling out tonight. Well, Yeah, because we're chilling out today because it's Friday, chill out Friday on the Easter in a holiday on Easter holiday, so that would be great. So anyway, Hal, that would be great. So yeah, I'll be excited about it. But so yeah, so that's gonna be it. I'll leave you to it to keep you awake or something. Hope you guys enjoy it. Take care. Good morning, and have an early. So yeah, have a good day and good morning.